What's going on? Can you get that off your head?
Too hard.
It's too hard?
Yes.
Let's try again. Come here, Spence.
Too hard.
Come on. Can we try to get that off of you?
Yes. No, picture me.
Try to get it off your head. Oh.
Too hard.
Too hard?
Too heavy.
Too heavy?
Too hard.
How'd you do that? How'd you put your potty seat? Try it now. You almost have it.
Too hard.
Too hard? Okay. Don't freak out.
Too hard.
All right, let me help you.
Do you need scissors?
What?
Do you need scissors?
Do I need scissors?
Yes.
Okay, let me help you. Come over here. I can get it out without scissors.
Get out scissors?
Yeah, come on.
Put me back with this.
Yeah, maybe. Let's see.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
But are you get?
What?
I want cake. I want coffee up here. I want everything there.
You're going to leave it there?
I want cake.
Okay.
I want cake.